Want your Roblox game to stand out? Time to stop copying and start creating, with confidence. First, before you touch a single line of code, get comfy with Roblox Studio. Think of it like learning to drive. You gotta know what all the buttons do. The Explorer shows you every part of your game. Properties lets you tweak them. Output gives you error messages. Think of it as your game's uh-oh voice. And Command Bar is your test kitchen for code. Next, meet Luau, the language Roblox uses. Start with variables, functions, and loops. If you can make a sandwich, you can write a function. Learn events too. They're like game alarms that go off when something cool happens. Don't go solo. Use the Creator Hub, YouTube channels like Alvin Blocks, or the Developer Forum. Ask questions, follow tutorials, but always ask, why does this work? Most importantly, practice with tiny projects. Make a kill brick, a moving platform, or a magic button. Break problems down, fix your mistakes, and remember, every error is one step closer to epic scripting skills.